This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce chicken. First, gather your ingredients, including about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs. You'll also need your preferred hot sauce components, like fresh chili peppers, vinegar, and spices. Make sure your kitchen is organized and you have a large skillet or frying pan ready for cooking. This initial preparation saves time and makes the entire process smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's cook the chicken. Cut your chicken into 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook them, stirring occasionally until they are golden brown and fully cooked through. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the thickness of your chicken. Ensure there's no pink left inside. Next, we'll create the delicious hot sauce. In a blender, combine about 1 cup of your chosen hot peppers with 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Blend until smooth. Transfer this mixture to a small saucepan, then stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until melted. Season with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of paprika for depth of flavor. Simmer gently for 5 minutes. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your cooked chicken pieces directly into the simmering hot sauce. Toss everything gently until each piece of chicken is thoroughly coated in the flavorful sauce. Serve your hot sauce chicken immediately with your favorite sides, like rice, blue cheese dressing, or celery sticks. It's a fantastic dish for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.